Bharat ke paas ek diverse or powerful fighter fleet hai. Indian Air Force IAF main French Rafale jets, Russian Su-30 Mki, or indigenous HAL Tejas Shamil Hein. Rafale jets advanced avionics or long-range missiles ke sath aad Hein, jo unhi superior air dominance capability did Hein. Su-30 Mki, ek twin-engine multi-role fighter hai, jo air-to-air or air-to-ground missions main proficient hai. HAL Tejas, Bharat ka apna banaya gaya light combat aircraft hai, jo agility or modern avionics ke li jana jada hai. Pakistan Air Force PAFB apni fighter fleet main modernization la rahi hai. Unc pas American F-16 fighting Falcons or Chinese Pakistani joint venture JF-17 Thunder jets hein. F-16s versatile or combat proven aircraft hein, jabki JF-17s cost effective or modern avionics se less hein. HAL High Main, PAFNE JF-17 Block 3 variant introduce Kia High, Jo advanced radar systems or long-range missiles ke sath aada High. Bharat Ki Air Force main lag bag 600 se Zyada combat aircraft Hein, jabki Pakistan ke paas Kareeb 350 combat aircraft Hein. Lekin, quantity ke alawa, quality or training be mahavapurna factors ode Hein. IAF key pilot training or maintenance protocols world-class Monjade Hein, Jo unki operational readiness ko enhance karte Hein. Recent tensions ke Doran, Dano Deshan ne apni Air Forces ko high alert par rakha hai. IAF ne precision strikes or combat air patrols conduct ki Hein, jabki PAF ne be apni airspace ki suraksha ke li sorties increase ki Hein. Ya sab kuch ke deterrence establish karn ke likiya ja raha hai, taki ji shi be aggression ka turant jawab dia ja sake. Air defense systems be ek crucial role play karte hein. Bharat ke paas S-400 Triumph missile systems hein, jo long range air defense ke li jane jade hein. Pakistan be apni air defense capabilities ko upgrade kar raha hai, taki apni strategic assets ko protect kar sake. Dano desh nuclear armed hein, I li air power ka use carefully calibrated hoda hai. Koi be miscalculation catastrophic consequences la sakta hai. I li, communication channels or confidence building measures maintain karna zarurai hai. Agar hum historical context Dekian, to 2019 main Balakot air strikes or Usk-Bad K aerial engagements ne Dano Air Forces key capabilities ko test Kia Dha. IAF ne cross-border strike conduct Kia Dha, jabki PAF ne retaliatory strikes or airspace defense main apni readiness dket. AAJK SAME main, technological advancements J's stealth technology, electronic warfare, or unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs air combat k dynamics ko Badal Rahin. Bharat or Pakistan Dano High apni UAV programs ko expand kar Rahin, taki surveillance or reconnaissance capabilities enhance ki ja Sakian. In SAB developments k beach, regional stability maintain kar Nasab spot a challenge high. Diplomacy, dialogue, or mutual understanding high sustainable peace ke li rasta pradarshid karte hein. Opka kia visha ar high is vishay par, niche comment kar ki batian, or agar opko ya video pasand ayiho, to like or subscribe karna na bhulian. Dhanyavad.